Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix media offline or relink missing files in DaVinci Resolve using multiple methods. On your timeline, when you see media offline, the first reason why your footage might be offline is that you either renamed it or you might have renamed your media folder, or you have moved your files to another folder. But the solution is really simple. To relink your file, simply click on this icon over here and in the window select Locate. You can then go to the folder where you moved your files or where your renamed files are located. Now, if I click on Select Folder, it will relink my files, but what if I don't remember where my files are? In that case, come back and click on Disk Search. This will search your whole computer to find your files. It might take a few minutes, but it will surely find your moved file if you didn't delete it. If this doesn't work, go to your Media tab. Now, right-click on your media pool here. Click on Relink Media for this bin. Now you can select the new folder where you have your files and it will relink automatically. Sometimes, even if you have your files in the right folder, it still shows a missing file. This may happen when the software doesn't support your imported file type. To resolve this, we are going to use an external software. Come back and launch your Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar, search for Handbrake app. This is the website we're looking for. The link to this website will be attached in the description. Now select the version compatible with your system. Select a saving location and download the exe file. After downloading, go to that location. Double-click on the exe file and install the app normally. Now launch the app. In the app window, click on Folder Scan and select your folder. You can also scan individual files using File Scan. Now set your preset to your desired format and click on Start Encode. Within a few moments, the app will encode the file to your desired format and save the file. Now go back to DaVinci, delete the missing file, and import it again. This time you can see that it doesn't show a missing file. Another reason why your files might be offline is that you might have deleted your file accidentally in your media pool. So when you press backspace by accident, you'll see that one of the files will go offline, and you can't relink it using the normal methods. To relink this file, simply import the file back into your project. You can simply go Control-I, which will open up your file browser window, then go to the folder where this file is located and simply import it into your project, and that will relink your file. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.